How's it going, y'all? Today we're going to be talking about how to level the build plate on the Anycubic Photon M3 Max in just 5 easy steps. We're going to start by placing down our leveling paper over the screen. This is the same leveling paper that should have come with your 3D printer. Next, let's loosen the 4 screws that hold the build plate at its current level. Loosening these screws will free the build plate to move up and down within a given range. This will allow us to apply a new level momentarily. So loosen it just enough that the build plate drops to its lowest point. Next, let's jump to the menu here, hit Tools, Move Z, and then the Home icon. This will send the build plate down onto our leveling paper or to the printer's home location, also known as 0 on the Z-axis. Once our build plate has stopped moving, we can apply some light pressure to the build plate and screw in the screws that we loosened a moment ago to lock in this new level for the build plate. And once we're done there, we can hit Z = 0, enter, enter. This will raise the platform back to a normal height. With the build plate up and out of the way, we can retrieve our leveling paper and store it back in its original bag to keep it safe. And that's it. We now have a fully functional 3D printer with a leveled bed. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, leave a comment and a like down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.